whom does lie the burden of proof in criminal cases? Is the standard of proof in civil and criminal cases the same? Ans. It is the cardinal principle of criminal jurisprudence that accused will be presumed innocent until his guilt is proved by prosecution beyond reasonable doubt. In State of Maharashtra v. Vasudev Ram Chandar AIR 1981 SC 1186. It was held in criminal proceeding, prosecution is under legal obligation to prove each and every ingredient of offense beyond reasonable doubt unless otherwise so provided by the statute. Relevant provision relating to burden of proof are provided under Section 101 to 114 of Evidence Act. Section 101 of Act lays down, whoever desires any court to give judgment as to any legal rights or liability dependent on the existence of fact which he asserts, must prove that those facts exist. Section when a person who is bound to prove existence of fact, it is said burden of proof lies on that person. Section 102 of Act then provide. Burden of proof in suit or proceeding lies on that person who would fail if no evidence at all were given on either side. So Section 101 of Act provide burden of proof in the sense of proving the case, and Section 102 of provide it in the sense of adducing evidence. In criminal proceeding, initial burden of proof in the sense of proving the case lies on prosecution, and it has to prove the charge against accused beyond reasonable doubt. However, Section 105 of Evidence Act is important qualification to the rule that in criminal proceeding everything essential to establish charge against accused lies upon prosecution. Section 105 of Act provide when a person is accused of an offense, burden of proving the existence of circumstances bringing the case within any general exceptions in IPC or any special exception or proviso in IPC or in any other law defining the offense, lies on accused, and court will presume the absence of such circumstance. Similarly, in Section 113A and 113B of Evidence Act, court take presumption upon proving the ingredients of offense under Section 306 or 304B IPC respectively that husband and husband's relatives have committed the offense, and burden of proof lies on accused to rebut this presumption. In civil cases, the burden of proof in the sense of proving the case is discharged by more preponderance of probability, and court in civil cases has to strike the balance of probability. However, in criminal proceeding, burden of proof in the sense of establishing the case always lies on prosecution. Prosecution has to stand on its own legs and has to prove guilt of accused beyond reasonable doubt.